Good day to everyone. I'm Mom Jovi. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create and run HTML files using Visual Studio Code. Okay, to start, I'm going to click the shortcut for Visual Studio Code. So let's just wait for a moment. There you go. So I'm going to click File and then Open Folder. By the way, I already created a folder. What I'm going to do next is to navigate that folder. So there you go. It's stored here in my documents. So the folder name is Programming, Net Framework Sample, and then select Next. Okay, so as you can see, this one appears here. So you can see here, guys, the plus, a folder with a plus sign. To create a new HTML file, what we're going to do is to click this one. And then I am going to type the file name demo.html. Okay, there you go. So what I'm going to type, guys, is that I am going to type this one, exclamation point, and then hit the enter key. Boom, there you go. I am no longer, I will no longer rather type those IDOC type, the HTML, and the closing tag. The VS Code will gonna provide it for us. So the next thing to do is to customize the content. This is all about the title of the document. So demo number one, demo one. And then here, so this is the head section, and in the body section, it is where we're going to encode all the elements that we can see on the document. As you can see, there is an IntelliSense. So I'll just type here, this is a heading one. This is a heading one. This is a heading one tag. And then I'll click save, save. There you go. And then I am going to view this in a web browser, right? So right click, after which, oh, there you go. You have here the option, open in default browser, open in other browser. So let's try open in other browsers so that all the browsers will get a pop out. And then we are going to select which browser do you want. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Depend on the browser installed in your device, guys. Okay, so this is heading one tag. Another option is that you are going to select this one and then right click. There you go. Open in other browser, open in default browser. By this time, guys, I'm going to try open in default browser. There you go. So this is how you're going to create and view or run the HTML file you created. Okay, to continue, so I will be adding a new tag. So heading 2, let's complete this one, and then I'll hit the enter key. Once I close the tag, it automatically completes, generates the closing of the heading tag. So I'll just, this is a heading 2 tag. So when you do this, guys, I will no longer be repeating it several times because it's the same process from heading 1. There are 6 headings from heading 1 to heading 6. So heading 1 is the biggest and heading 6 is the smallest. The next tag that I'm going to introduce you to you guys is the paragraph tag. So P, when I close this one, look at this, it automatically generates again the closing of the heading tag. I will just make use of the sentence. Okay, the brown tax, quick brown tax slightly jumps over the head of the lazy dog. So what I'm gonna do by this time is to copy and paste this sentences several times because I am going to create a paragraph instead of typing in this demonstration. I'll just copy this. Okay, so probably about how many lines? Okay, I am going to cut this one so that it's not very, very long so I can see the closing. Although it's okay, but I prefer this one so that it's not that long. I can see the closing tag of this one. So this is one paragraph, and I'm going to copy this again because I would just want to show you guys that the use of the paragraph tag. So I have two paragraphs now. So we'll be creating three paragraphs, and there you go. So this is the second paragraph, and then the third paragraph is this one. Yeah. Okay, let's just indent this. Okay, so one, two, three. So what I'm going to do is to save, file, save, and then there you go. Let's run in a default browser. There you go. So this is the heading tag, then it's the paragraph tag. Okay. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. See ya on my next video.